Simultaneous equation, substitution method. Solve the equations x plus y equals 4 and 2x minus y equals 5. So there are two equations there, and they are written here. X plus y equals 4. X plus y equals 4 happens to be equation 1. And 2x minus y equals 5 happens to be equation 2. Now how do we solve that? In equation 1, which is this equation 1, we want to make x the subject of the formula. That is to make it stand alone, just like 4. So let us take this y to the other side of the equation. From plus y, it becomes minus y, as we can see here. So we now have x equals 4 minus y, and that will give us equation 3. This new formulated equation is now equation 3. So what do we do now? We cannot substitute 4 minus y for x. Substitute 4 minus y for x in equation 2. So we have equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x minus y equals 5. So in place of x, we are going to put 4y. So we are replacing x with 4y. That's what we mean by substitution method. So we have 2, 4 minus y in bracket in place of x. Then we still have minus y and equals to 5. So in order to remove the brackets, we're going to multiply what is outside the bracket by the terms in the bracket. So 2 times 4 is going to give us 8. And 2 times y is going to give us y. Remember, we have negative sign, so it's going to become minus 2y. And we have minus y equals 5. So negative 2y and negative 1y, that will give us total of negative 3y. In other words, 8 minus 3y equals 5. You can either collect like terms here simply. 8 and 5 are alike, so you can collect the like terms by taking 8 to the other side of the equation. So we have minus 3y, we have 5 left here, then 8, which is a plus sign, a positive sign, 8 goes to the other side and becomes minus 8. So we have minus 3y is equals to minus 3. You can simply say divide both sides by minus 3. So we have minus 3y divided by minus 3. Then we also have minus 3 divided by minus 3. This has eliminated this, and this has become plus sign. Negative divided by negative will give you a plus sign. That is minus divided by minus give us a plus, and 3 has eliminated this 3. So what we have here is y equals 3 goes in itself 1, 3 in here 1. So what we have is y is equals to 1, because negative divided by negative, that's minus sign divided by minus sign, will now turn to a plus sign. So what we have is y as 1. Y equals 1. With this, we can now look for what x is. Having known what y is 1, then we can now solve for x. So let us now solve for x. I want to solve for x. Let's use equation 3 in equation 3. The equation 3 that we formulated was x equals 4 minus y. That is what was formulated here. So we now want to take y to be 1 as shown in the first solution. So we have x is equals to 4 minus y is 1, so we can add 1 here. So we have x equals 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Thus, x equals 3 and y equals 1. You can check your workings. Let us check if this is true. Let us use equation 1. Equation 1 tells us that x plus y equals 4. So we know that x is 3 and y is 1. You can see that 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that means that the workings are correct. That is substitution method of simultaneous linear equation. Next time we are going to use simultaneous linear equation to solve real life problem, and that's what we mean by word problems. So when we introduce a question with word problems, we are going to convert it into equations like this, and we can use any of the methods, simultaneous linear equation, either substitution method or elimination method as mentioned in one of our videos, to explain